The name Chernobyl whispers of disaster. It speaks of a place frozen in time. In 1986, a nuclear reactor exploded, forcing a city to flee. Pripyat became a ghost town. Humans left, but they left something behind. Their pets. Dogs roamed the empty streets, lost and alone. Over decades, these forgotten animals formed their own wild packs. They became a symbol of resilience in a land poisoned by human error. These are the dogs of Chernobyl, living phantoms in the exclusion zone. To truly understand the dogs of Chernobyl, scientists had to get close, venturing into areas still heavily affected by radiation. This was no easy task, requiring specialized equipment and rigorous safety protocols. The scientists knew that unlocking the secrets held within these animals could provide invaluable insights into adaptation and survival in extreme environments. Teams from the Chernobyl Dog Research Initiative have been diligently working within the exclusion zone for years. Their dedication extends beyond scientific curiosity, encompassing a deep commitment to the well-being of these animals. They offer essential resources like food, life-saving vaccinations, and crucial medical treatment to the dogs that call this radioactive landscape home. During these regular checkups, the scientists meticulously collect vital samples for their research. Blood, hair, and tissue samples are carefully and ethically gathered from hundreds of individual dogs, each sample representing a piece of the puzzle. These samples hold the key to understanding how these animals have adapted to survive in such a challenging environment. The real detective work, the unraveling of biological mysteries, truly begins back in the controlled environment of the laboratory. Here, the scientists use advanced, cutting-edge technology to sequence the dogs' genomes, mapping out their entire genetic blueprint. This process allows them to delve into the intricate details of their DNA. Think of it as meticulously reading every single letter, every single word, in their biological instruction book. Each gene, each sequence tells a story about their ancestry, their health, and their ability to thrive in a radioactive landscape. It's a complex and fascinating process of decoding life itself. They carefully compare the DNA of dogs living in the most radioactive areas of Chernobyl to those residing in less contaminated parts of the zone. Furthermore, they compare their genetic makeup to that of other dog populations worldwide, searching for unique adaptations and genetic markers that might explain their resilience. This comparative analysis is crucial for identifying the specific genetic changes that have allowed these dogs to survive and even thrive in this unique environment. Radiation is a powerful and pervasive agent of change, capable of altering the very building blocks of life. When radiation interacts with a DNA strand, the consequences can be significant. It can directly break the strand, disrupting its integrity, or it can cause mutations, which are essentially like typos or errors introduced into the genetic code. These alterations can have a range of effects, from subtle changes to more dramatic disruptions. In an environment as extreme and unforgiving as Chernobyl, where radiation permeates every aspect of the ecosystem, the rate of DNA changes is happening at an accelerated pace, much faster than what would be considered normal in a typical environment. This creates a unique and challenging situation for the organisms that call this place home. It is like evolution playing out in fast forward, a sped-up version of the natural processes that shape life over vast stretches of time. This accelerated process is a brutal form of natural selection, where only the fittest, or in this case, the most radiation-resistant, are likely to survive and pass on their genes. Dogs with genetic variations that make them particularly vulnerable to radiation-induced illnesses, such as cancer or immune deficiencies, are less likely to survive the harsh conditions and successfully reproduce, thus gradually removing those genes from the population. This highlights the powerful selective pressure exerted by the radioactive environment. The story of the Chernobyl dogs holds profound implications for us. This is incredibly relevant for astronauts exposed to cosmic radiation in space. It is also important for cancer patients undergoing radiation therapy and for workers in the nuclear industry. By studying how the dogs' bodies cope, we might discover new ways to protect human cells from radiation damage. Imagine a treatment that could boost our own body's natural defense mechanisms against radiation-induced diseases. As we reflect on the incredible journey of the Chernobyl dogs, a profound question emerges. What are your thoughts on this remarkable story of survival against all odds? Do you believe these resilient animals should be removed from the exclusion zone for their own safety and well-being, ensuring they live out their lives in a more stable environment? Or should they be protected in their natural habitat as a unique, evolving population, offering invaluable insights into adaptation and evolution in the face of extreme adversity. We invite you to share your ideas, opinions, and personal reflections in the comments section below. This is more than just a story, it's a complex ethical dilemma with no easy answers. Your perspective, shaped by your own experiences and values, is a valuable and essential part of this ongoing conversation. Let's learn from each other and explore the nuances of this extraordinary situation. Thank you for taking the time to delve into the shocking impact of radiation on the Chernobyl dogs and the groundbreaking secrets revealed within their DNA. This research not only sheds light on the adaptability of life, but also raises important questions about our responsibility to the environment and the creatures that inhabit it. If you found this exploration of science and survival compelling, please consider liking this video to help others discover it. Sharing it with your friends and networks can spark further discussion and awareness. And of course, subscribing to our channel ensures you won't miss future stories that explore the frontiers of science, nature, and the incredible resilience of life on Earth. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to continuing this journey of discovery with you.